Hi guys, how you doing? After every time I've done a workout, I always grab one of these bad boy after. I always do a stretch off and a cool down with a foam roller. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some of the exercises and some of the movements that you can do on the beautiful foam roller. Okay, so I always start off with the bottom of my legs. So move back here so you can see. So I rest my ankle on and I just move my ankle around. Yeah, obviously you're going to do this both sides. So I'll just show you one side. So with both directions, just move your ankles off. Yeah, so basically the idea of these foam rollers is that it obviously massages your muscles, and what it does is squeezes the old blood and the old oxygen out of your muscles. Then obviously you can make way for a new flow of blood from your heart. I find that if I foam roll after I've worked out, I don't ache as bad the next day. But if I haven't foam rolled, then I tend to be feel the session a bit more. Then I move up to my calves. So the idea of this is you're going to put your body weight on it. So the more body weight you put on, the harder it's going to feel when it rolls onto your muscles. So you can leave it there like that, and then just roll over with your leg. But what I do is I lift up on my hands like this, so my bum's off the floor. Then I roll forward and back like that. And as I roll forward and back, I then move the angle that my leg's at so that you can get different areas of your calf as well. Yeah, you don't have to go mad with it. So you probably spend about 20-30 seconds on each area. Yeah, so you do your ankles, back of your calf, then I go up to my hamstring, same again. I go up to my hands, but you don't have to. You can just roll forward and back with your bum on the floor. But if you want to feel it a little bit more on the hamstrings, I lift up and then I roll forward and back like that. So only your hamstrings for now. And then same again, change the angle of my leg so that it hits different areas, different muscles, like that. Yeah, and then last bit of your legs, your bum. So what I do is take a seat on it like this. Yeah, so you see from the angle I'm going to turn this way as well, so you can see me sit on it. So if you haven't got these guys, I'd definitely get one. So on there like that, so it's on your bum, and then same again, roll forward and back, and then move your angle of your leg again, so then you can hit different areas on your bum. Yeah. So I do that both sides. So I'd only do it once, and then now we're going to move on to your back. So we're going to go lower back first. Like that, and same again. The more weights that you put on the roller, the more you're going to feel it. Yeah. So if it's feeling a little bit sore, then put more weight through your arms and your shoulders. Right. So what I do is then lift up and you just roll forward and back. So use your arms and your legs to push you forward and back, like that. So I'm only doing the bottom of my back now, so the lumbar region of your back. And technically, guys, it's a free massage. It feels great as well, especially after you've trained. Yeah, so I'll show you from the side again, like that, and then you can see it up and down that part of your back. And then next bit, you're going to do the top of your back, your thoracic, top of your spine. You can also use this as part of a warm up as well, just to get the blood flowing. But so I definitely use it after. So with this, now I'm going to turn around this time so you can see the top. So you're going to hit it at the top of your back there, like that. And then, first of all, what I do is I cross my arms over, like that. And then just same again, push the weight through my feet, push forward and back through the legs. And then move up and down, like that. Try to get as high as you can, so you don't want to bury it into your neck, but just so you can feel up the back of your shoulder blades. And then again, if you are feeling that a little bit too much, then try not to lean on it too much. And see if you want to, you can put your arms out, or your elbows out, just to put some of your weight through there, so you're not feeling it through the roller. Because if you're not used to it, it can be quite rough. Then from there, what I do then is I move my hand position. So put my arms up and over my head, and then you should feel that now in a different position on your shoulders as you're rolling forward and back. Oh, that one feels bang on, that one. Ah. I could literally do this for hours. Free massage, guys. You can pick one of these up from any discount store now for about £6. or you can get on eBay or Amazon, you can get them as well. So that's all the posterior side. So now we're going to do the anterior, so the front of the body. So what I tend to do is only my quads and my hip flexors on the front. You might find videos where they do all the stuff for your anterior chain as well. So what I do is, same again, lie on it front ways like that, and then use my hands and move my foot that's on the floor, and then just roll forward and back. Same again, I move my hips so that I can feel it in different areas on my leg, yeah. So just up and down, like that. Just come nice and high, right at the bottom, and then I go nice and deep inside the hip flexors as well. Same again, you'll do that on both legs. So honestly guys, if you haven't got one of these, I strongly recommend getting one. It'll be so much better for your recovery after your training sessions. Got any questions regarding these, then send us a message and I'll get back to you as always.